A malfunctioning air conditioner may result from incorrect settings, improper temperature selection, or a coolant leak, commonly called a gas leak. The refrigerant is essential for cooling, and its depletion can significantly affect performance. Additionally, gas leaks can lead to AC fires. To prevent gas leak, understand the reasons. Causes of gas leak. Refrigerant leaks can occur due to multiple factors, including corrosion, which is caused by a gradual loss of efficiency as condenser pipes corrode. Other contributing factors include vibrational damage. Vibrations generated by the compressor motor may weaken connections and cause leaks. Installation issues. Improper installation may create weak points and cause leaks over time. Pinhole leaks, small, difficult to detect leaks can develop in the lines, leading to gradual leakage. Preventive measures. To prevent refrigerant leaks, use copper condenser coils, ensure proper placement of the outdoor unit, cover the unit during off-season, and regularly maintain the system with professional servicing. Although refrigerant leaks are unavoidable, certain precautions can help reduce or delay their occurrence. Opt for copper condenser coils to resist corrosion, ensure proper placement of the outdoor unit, protect the outdoor unit with shade, and use R32 coolant, which is less flammable but still flammable if there's a spark or overheating damage. Regular maintenance is crucial for early detection and prevention of additional damage.